Alright guys, the next thing I'm going to do is show you really quick is how do you add text. So if I hit the add button, there is the text option. So I click that, you're going to get default, the word is text. I got to go into edit mode, then I'm going to go ahead and hit backspace, and then I'm just going to type in Blender. I think it's lowercase, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Then I'm going to switch to object mode so I can move it around. And I want to scale it, looks very small. And I think I'm going to do Blender underneath it. I'm going to hit S for scale. I like about that size. And then I'm just using the grid to kind of figure out where is my center. Because the green line is your center. So if you ever try to figure out, well, how do I center this? What I do, my little cheater way, is I just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 letters. 7 letters, the N is the middle. And then I know my green line is my Y. That's where the center of the logo is. So I just need to do about the middle of the N. And then if I want to bump it down a little bit. Okay, so I've added text.